What's up everyone, Jose once again with PetRockMedia.com, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the DJI Osmo Pocket and how it serves you as your main A-cam, creating content and creating videos for your YouTube channel. Okay everybody, again, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you're notified each and every time we post videos or content on this channel. So right now what you're looking at is straight out of the camera video with some slight color grading from the DJI Osmo Pocket. We're shooting in 4K 24p, 1/50th of a second shutter, 100 ISO. We have focus on my face, so it should track as I'm moving. You see the little box on the screen moving. Now the cool thing about this is that it also has follow mode, so if you're moving, the actual gimbal will be switching left to right and will panning with your face. I don't have that set up right now, so that way it's constantly stable, but the autofocus should be tracking my face. We're utilizing a cheap gorilla style tripod. We have one main key light right here to the right of me. It's the Godox SL60W. It is with a grid on it, as well as a pretty big softbox with multiple layers of diffusion. And then we have some ambient lights on in the back. You see the string lights. I have a few little lights right here on the side to kind of help set up the mood in the studio. But again, this is straight out of the camera, straight out of the box content, if you will. No filter on this thing, no off-camera audio. This is audio straight out of the camera. So I'm going to leave it like this, and then we're going to be making some future content. So again, make sure you're subscribed, showing off some other microphones that you can utilize with the DJI Osmo Pocket to kind of crank up your content and make it that much better. But I wanted to show you the quality that you can get out of this camera straight out of the box. Nothing special, just tinkering a little bit with the settings. We're shooting in the D-Cine-like style, almost like their flat profile from DJI. Again, 24p, 100 ISO, 1/50th of a second. Again, nothing special. Let me know what you guys think about in the comments about the video quality. What do you think? Is this something that you can see yourself purchasing? Because it has been going on sale lately, because it's my belief that they're going to be releasing an update to this camera, whether it be a bigger sensor, who knows. The extreme portability of this particular unit, the DJI Osmo Pocket, is what really sold it when it first came out. So it is something to think about. This camera can do 4K 60 pretty well. Again, you got to think about the sensor. It is very small, but again, it can do 4K 60, so it can give you the slow motion that a lot of us have wanted in this small little body. It takes micro SD cards. Polar Pro, amongst Freewell and other major manufacturers, make filters for this, ND filters, circular polarizer filters for this. Polar Pro also makes additional accessories like a cage, so to speak, to have multiple mounts for you to mount other things with 1/4 screws. They make controls. They allow you to have a Wi-Fi controllability, so you can plug in the little Wi-Fi unit and you can connect it to your smartphone, and you can adjust the swivel and up and down of the gimbal. So that's pretty cool to have. But again, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about the video quality thus far. What are your comments? What are your takeaways? And is this something that you can see yourself utilizing to take your content to the next level? Because again, this camera right now averages about $279 to $300, and it can go lower than that occasionally sometimes if you find some good deals on Amazon, open box, brand new or pretty much like new. B&H as well has that as well. And then a lot of times your local Best Buys could potentially have those as well. So it's really something to look into. Not a whole lot of money considering the quality you could potentially get out of this camera. Again, we'll be making some future videos on this little camera as well, so be sure you're subscribed, and I will catch you all on the next one. Peace.